What's going on, everybody? This is Alex Saenz. In today's video, I'm going to be discussing reasons to drive for dollars and the process as to what it looks like. So reason number one, it's little to no cost. I know most of us who start out in the game don't have the biggest budget for marketing. Driving for dollars is a great way to get started with little to no money. So reason number two, you're looking for current distressed properties. When you compare it to pulling a list, you're not going to know exactly what the condition of those properties are. At least with driving for dollars, you're able to find properties that are currently distressed, which in turn gives you a better chance at making a conversion on the lead. Reason number three bounces off a little bit on reason number two, because the fact that these properties are distressed, not only are the conversion rates higher, but the spread is also bigger. One thing that I've noticed is with our company, our deal average for driving for dollar lead is typically higher than other marketing streams. For reason number four, the supply is endless. Driving for dollars is effective because it's always going to be in the game. So those are just a couple reasons on why you need to drive for dollars. The list can go on and on. Next, we're going to go into the process of driving for dollars. So what exactly do you need to do? So the process is in the name itself. You find the selected area, you hop in your car, you drive in that area, you write down the addresses of the distressed properties that you find. You go back to your computer, you find the owner names, you skip trace them. Once you skip trace them, you cold call and close the lead. It's as simple as that. With that being said, in today's video, I have a special guest. He is one of our top earners here at our wholesaling company. He's going to be explaining on how he got his most recent drive for dollar deal. All right, brother. So introduce yourself. Who are you? What do you do?
Yeah, my name's Jalen Johnson. Like you said, I'm one of the top earners here at our wholesaling company.
So you just got a driving for dollars deal that we closed on yesterday?
Yesterday, yeah.
All right. Walk us step by step on how you went about that, how you got that deal.
It was pretty short, simple, and sweet, to be honest with you. It was the month, or it was the end of January going into February. It was over the weekend. I had decided to jump in my car. I had my friend Alonzo driving with me. He was taking notes because my arm was in a sling,
Yep.
if you remember that. So I was, whipping it with one hand. We were driving over in an area sort of by my dad's house around 16th Street, McDowell, Central Phoenix area. Yeah, so there's a lot of flips in the area. It's a historic district, which is why we picked it. So we drove around for about 30, 45 minutes. He wrote the properties down as I drove.
How many addresses did you write down?
At that point in time, I think we ended up with 50. The next day at work, I skip traced the list. The day after that, I cold called that list of 50. I went from bottom to top, and the third from the bottom was the deal that we ended up getting. He said he was interested. He gave me a price off the bat. I ran it by you. You said we can do it. We went into negotiation, and then from there, I actually drove over to his house the next day and got the contract signed.
From the day you hopped in the car and drove for dollars and got the contract, what was the time span on that?
2.5 days.
2.5 days.
Yeah, 2.5 days. 2.5 days from driving for dollars to closing the prospect and getting it signed, and then the entire turnaround time to get paid was about a month.
And that was due to the tenants and
to the situation.
Yeah, just clearing everything. For you, how much did it cost you to get this lead and get the contract signed?
Driving for 30 minutes, I have a very gas-efficient car and a Hyundai Sonata, so it probably cost me $2, to be honest with you, driving for 30 minutes, and then and the printer paper.
And how much did we make?
22.5. You can put in maximum effort and get a maximum return. I put in minimal effort and still got a maximum return, so there's really no excuse for you not to do it.
Yeah, with this one, guys, he drove for dollars, got the contract in 2.5 days. We got it assigned in less than a week. Overall, it cost him $2 to make $22,000. When people ask me oh, what do you recommend for, I'm starting out in wholesaling, what marketing stream do you recommend that I do?
Drive for dollars.
Drive for dollars.
It's
as simple as that.
No cost, little to no cost at all. As long as you can, put money in the tank for gas, pick a friend up if you want.
You got some food in the car, maybe some drinks, that's it.
Yeah, turn the music up, enjoy.
That was a quick case study on what it takes to drive for dollars and get a deal. As you can clearly see, it's very simple. There's really no strategy behind it besides just driving for dollars and getting on the phones. So with that being said, guys, make sure you guys subscribe, like the video, comment below on what you want to hear next, and make sure you stay tuned for my next video. I'm going to be announcing a giveaway that is very easy to enter, so make sure you don't miss that. That about wraps it up, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.